Birthday Premiership season is back. First game of the season. Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics, and I'm your host, Limpomuwal, in Mbombela Stadium, to witness the first game of the Birthday Premiership season. Newly crowned, newly promoted Kruger United outfits took on against Kaizer Chiefs in Mbombela Stadium for their debut game in the top flight South African League against Kaizer Chiefs in a game which ended the scoreline of 3-1 in favor of the mighty Amakosi, prevailing, marching on and obtaining 3 points and moving on forward. Now I'm joined by Kosi Fanatic, Konesi Fanatic. Dulayam. Yendakalile lento. Yendakalile lento.
Uyacruza. Ngihamba ngemkhulu mara ngedebeni ngisembombela. Ngisembombela Costa. Ngihappy mara coach wami ngiyambona emuva uqinisile vele kakhulu emuva. Ngizaba semuva. I'm happy ngakho ngilobonakala Costa. Mara lokusala this season uyangithembisa. Ngiyacruza. Angisahambe eDurban ngiqhama ngemkhumbe eMaputo ngicruza sengiDurban.
Sure.
Koslam. Chiefs dam.
Enduna yabona kwakho la le season lena uyibona ihamba iphelela kuphi?
Sandani ngeshaya.
Hayi man.
Sandani ngeshaya game number 3.
Yeah.
Ngishaya Sandani ngimnqume emkhathini.
Yeah.
Pirates bayisaladi.
Yeah.
League yethu. Yethu league lo mnyaka.
Mo akunduna yabo.